Hey there, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this guide, I will share you how to reinstall the macOS using recovery mode. First, I will share the steps to enter the recovery mode, and then we will install the latest available macOS supporting our computer. So let's get started. So in order to restart in recovery mode, you need to use the keyboard combination which is Option, Command and R, which will be used when you are restarting your computer. So what we can do is we can just go to the Apple logo and hit on restart, and immediately while restarting you can just press and hold this keyboard combination which is Option, Command and R. So the computer is now restarting. Just hold that option and you are given this to choose the network. So let's choose the network, our Wi-Fi network. Enter your passcode. So it is saying starting internet recovery. This may take a while. So if you are doing it for first time, it will take a while, like 5 minutes or something. But if you have done it previously, then it might take a few minutes. So recovery mode has started. So choose the language. I have chosen English. Next. And here you can see it is saying as macOS recovery, and it will examine the volumes. Right now I have one volume attached. And then here you have the option to restore from the time machine, reinstall the macOS, Safari and disk utility. Once you are on recovery mode, choose this option which says reinstall macOS and whatever the operating system you have, and just click on continue and click on continue, and it will load the installation information, and you can just agree and then install your macOS. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit on the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Have a great day.